All right, so here we are. I'm Smokey Joe, and today we're gonna learn how to make Israeli salad. Very simple, on a bright, hot, summer, sunny day. What else would you wanna eat besides something that's light and refreshing? And the key ingredient to making really great Israeli salad is fresh lemon juice. So in our recipe, we're going to start with fresh cucumber, half a cucumber, 1 tomato, a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of olive oil, a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 1/8 of a teaspoon of freshly ground cumin, and freshly chopped parsley. So in cutting the cucumber, I start by flattening a side and then another side. And I'm able to get a nice square cut out of each piece when I do it like this. And then I flip it over and I cut it again. And this is where the magic starts to come together, because we get all these nice little square cuts. And it's really important to me. I like my Israeli salad to be finely diced. I don't like the big chunks of Israeli salad, which you can do if you're in a hurry and don't have the time to cut everything properly. And the tomato, we just take a little bit off the top, cut off the stem, put that to the side, cut the tomato in half, okay? And then we make nice little cuts. And it's ready to be diced. Perfect little squares. And the reason why lemon juice is so important in the summertime is it brings out all of those wonderful flavors, and the acid in the lemon helps to bring all of the rest of it together. Okay. From there, we're going to add a tablespoon of olive oil, and the best quality olive oil you can find is great. We're going to add a half a teaspoon of salt. I like to use kosher salt because it brings out the flavor better and it doesn't taste as salty. From there, we're going to use 1/8 of a teaspoon of freshly ground cumin. And I really like this cumin flavor. It so says Israel. If you don't like cumin, you don't have to put it in. And then we're going to garnish with some fresh parsley. We're going to mix it all together. And hit it with a little more fresh parsley on the top. And that is your wonderful, beautiful, fantastic tasting Israeli salad. B'tevon.